The Basilico. It's sweet, easygoing and cooling. Unfortunately, it sounds like it's been named after a budget frozen pizza you used to buy when you were a poor teenager. Firstly, I hope everyone is having a brilliant summer, and this drink is a great one to have whilst the sun is out. The ingredient lineup: vodka, I've gone for the citrus variety, limoncello, 7 or so basil leaves, simple syrup and lemon. Also, we're going to be using crushed ice, so I have plenty of cubes available. Okay, to kick off the proceedings, let's start by muddling our basil leaves, and make sure you do this lightly. This had to be the worst basil plant I've ever brought. It was half dead before it got to me, and I am a serial killer of plants. Add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of vodka. I'm using the Absolute Citrus brand here. Then follow that up by half an ounce, that's 15ml of limoncello. Half an ounce, that's 15ml your simple syrup. Then 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5ml of fresh lemon juice. Add ice and shake for 13 seconds. History-wise, I don't really have much, but this cocktail apparently started appearing on menus in the Atlantic Bar in London in the early 2000s. Sadly, this place doesn't exist anymore. Add some crushed ice to a rocks glass. Double strain the contents of the shaker. This is really important as you don't want little bits of basil floating around. Then stack this up with plenty of more crushed ice. And garnish with a single basil leaf. Okay, the taste test. This was sweet and zingy. The vodka doesn't have much presence, but the limoncello is accompanied well by lemon juice. The basil holds it all together. I would tone down the simple syrup a bit, but overall, a good cocktail and deceivingly easy to drink. Make sure you make it. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.